Okay, guys, so you will not believe what happened to me today. So everything was going well, perfect, a little too perfect. Then I got up to the counter, the check-in area, where they go through your bags and stuff like that, and I couldn't find my passport. So I thought, my God, I lost, or it must have dropped out of my pocket when I was in the cab. Well, that was not the case. You know what? I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna talk to you guys while I'm unpacking so that you see what I brought to this trip. So these are my pajamas. Mixed match pajamas, but same color. I always like to undo the bed because it's easier for me to get in and get out. Kind of tired. We walked around a little bit. All right, so I bought these. These are my flat sneakers that I carried with me so that walking around, it'll be easier than walking around with the boots. I only bought the winter boots because it is going to get colder. But yeah, these are the sneakers that I bought to just walk around and also go to the gym. These are my socks, my warm socks. I'm just going to rest it here for a second. The weather here is just unpredictable. Just like everywhere else, it'll be warm, then it'll get cold, sometimes in between. But yes, since it's March, I said to myself, let me pack more warm clothing than anything else. So let me just show you my outfit again. This is what I wore on the plane because they said it was 59 degrees, except for the shoes. So this I got Temu velour pants and velour shirt. These are the pockets. I had put my passport in my breast pocket and I forgot because I normally don't keep it there. I normally keep it in one of the hidden pockets in my bag. Again, I bought this bag at Temu. This is the one that has all the different pockets on it. I love this bag. But it has a hidden pocket. It has this charger thing on the side, but I never used it, to be quite honest with you. I never used it. So I was thinking to myself, man, I was looking through here. I also have a vest that has a hidden pocket, as many of you may have seen earlier. And I thought I put it there. It wasn't there. I checked the pockets of my coat. It wasn't there. So I was freaking out. And then I don't know what it was that said, you know what, check your breast pocket of your shirt. And I did, and there it was. Sorry guys, it's late, so I'm looking a little sloppy. Yes, I packed these slippers, but again, didn't wear them. I wore my snow boots instead because I do plan on going to Park City to do some hiking. So here we are. I have my purse that I'm going to carry with me throughout the conference because I can't be dealing with no big bag. Then this is one of my pants. It is lined to keep me warm. By the way, the plane was hot. That cool air wasn't really doing much of anything. Okay, so now this is another yellow. This is another shirt. It's velour, it's yellow. So it's very similar to the blue shirt that I already have on. This is another blue velour shirt that I packed with me. This is a warm shirt that I had worn a long time ago. Got that from Kmart. Now this shirt I got from Shein. and the material inside is warm. It's felt. So I don't have to wear a sweater when I have these type of shirts. And then I have it in yellow, and ooh, I got it in blue. I just bought it, so the lint is definitely from the suitcase. Okay, then I have these two t-shirts here for the gym. This is tights, because the velour pants, they're not warm, you know, so they're perfect for 59-degree weather. And then these are hiking pants. I got these from Shein, and they are also insulated as well. I wanted the short boots because it's easy to put them on and take them off in the plane, you know, especially since it's winter. And the last time I did my research in the area, the mountains around Utah, Salt Lake in particular, still had snow on it. And they have predicted that it will snow again. So that is why I packed more warm clothes than, you know, summer breezy clothes. If it gets hot again, I have the t-shirts that I took for the gym that I can always walk around with, you know. So that's basically it. What I was trying to do but didn't get the chance to do was I had gone to Spreadshop and I created some shirts, mugs, and everything that had my logo on it. But unfortunately, I didn't push it out on time. I didn't get it on time. So I won't be wearing it for this conference, but hopefully I'll get myself together and I will wear it for the next conference. Oh, then one other thing. As far as clothing, definitely had my hat here. And this is my mask. Also, inside of, now I forgot which bag I put this in. One of the bags, I definitely packed a scarf for when it, you know, gets cold with the snow and everything else like that. So guys, that is what we're looking at. This is, on this side is just, you know, my eyeglasses, deodorant, you know, essential items, sewing kit, batteries. So, you know, your typical stuff. And then these are headbands, different colors, you know, so nothing. Oh, here's my scarf. Here's my scarf. Nothing too out of the ordinary. And this is a wrap around scarf as well. So guys, that's it. I'm only here for 7 days at this conference, and I'll be reviewing it at the end. All right, until next time.